Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter N. Clear? N. So let's start alphabet. We call this letter N. This is the capital N. This is the small n. Okay? But the sound of this letter is no. No. Clear? So, let's practice of the sound of this letter with some words. Let's start. Dear students, repeat each word after me to practice. Okay? Nap. Nail. Very good. Name. Nasal. Neck. Net. Neck. Neem. Neat. New. Nose. Nice. Node. Noble. Not. Nip. Nick. Nice. Knees. Night. Nuts. Number. Null. Nurse. Nurse.
चाचा जी यहाँ से छोटी सी बॉल लाए इतनी सी फुटबॉल
Nerds. So dear students, I hope you enjoyed the video. Dear students, to practice with this video and get perfection on the sound of letter N. We will meet again with the sound of next letter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.